Introducing the newly redesigned I-PEN Tear Osmolarity device from I-MED Pharma. The I-PEN measures the tear film osmolarity levels associated with dry eye disease. Using state-of-the-art technology, the I-PEN provides a quick and accurate quantitative measurement of osmolarity by analyzing the tear-soaked tissues in contact with the tear film. Osmolarity measures the concentration of salts dissolved in a given volume of solution. As the volume of solution decreases, the osmolarity increases. As the volume of solution increases, the osmolarity decreases. The I-PEN Tear Osmolarity System is an invaluable asset for eye care professionals to monitor the progress of dry eye treatment therapies. Begin by removing one single-use sensor from its packaging. Tear along the dotted line to separate one of the attached wrap sensors. Grasp the bottom of the package sensors firmly with one hand and carefully tear in the direction of the pre-cut section to expose the end of the sensor to be inserted into the I-PEN device. Be careful not to touch the exposed gold electrodes on the tip of the sensor when inserting the sensor into the device. While holding the single-use sensor in its packaging, insert the exposed end of the SUS firmly into the opening of the I-PEN. Take note to fully insert the sensor so that its shoulders line up correctly with the device. This ensures proper internal contact for all the electrodes. Prior to taking a reading, ask the patient to gently squeeze their eyelids shut for 30 to 60 seconds. Hold the patient's lower eyelid down to invert the eyelid and expose the pocket. The highlighted area shows the conjunctiva, where the I-PEN sensors should be placed. Avoid touching the lid margin. Turn on the I-PEN. With the patient's lower eyelid held, position the tip of the single-use sensor just above the inverted lower eyelid, with the LCD screen facing upwards. Approach at a 0 to 45-degree horizontal angle and gently lower the end of the single-use sensor onto the conjunctiva, on the inside of the lower eyelid. When correctly placed, the tip of the single-use sensor should be depressing the surface slightly, so both gold terminals on the tip of the SUS are in good contact with the conjunctiva. The I-PEN will emit an audible beep after taking 192 readings in several seconds and will display the results on the LCD screen. Record the results, eject and discard the sensor. The sensors are for single use only.